Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this very tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing woolen flower with two colors of wool and fork. To begin, choose any two colors of your choice. Then wrap around the first color of wool on the fork for 25 times. Please wrap smoothly. At this point, tie it to secure. Attach the second color of wool right at the center of the fork and then wrap around right there for 10 times. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you have not done so. Thank you. After wrapping around 10 times, then tie to secure and pull the woolen design out from the fork. We are done with one piece. Make them 5 pieces and join them together to make an amazing woolen flower. Attach sizable pearl right at the center of the woolen flower to make it even more beautiful and seamless. I know all of you will find this tutorial very easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching, and I will surely see you all in my next video. Bye.